Hello, lovely people. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for returning. And I do believe you're all doing great by the grace of God. Greetings to you all. And if you are new, you are warmly welcome. Families, today on our menu, we have the best chicken and vegetable stir fry recipe. And it's so yummy, and I believe you like it. So let's get into the video without wasting my time. Some of the ingredients I've got here with me are my honey, mushrooms, olive oil, cooking wine, oyster sauce, all-purpose seasoning, chicken seasoning. Yeah, I've got ginger, garlic, scotch bonnet pepper because I want some heat in the stir fry and it's totally optional. I've got white and red onions and carrots. I've also got my chicken breast. Yeah, and my black peppercorns as well as my pink salt, and I've got my dark soy sauce. Also, I've got tapioca flour. You can as well use the cornstarch, which is commonly used, but they all play the same role in our soups and stews. Now, family, I'm going to cut the chicken into pieces and we continue from there. So keep watching and go nowhere. Now, family, let's put the chicken in a deep bowl, set it aside, and come and cut our vegetables. This chicken doesn't smell funny at all because it was well cleansed with salt, lemon juice, and I love that. It's taking away all the funny smells. So family, now I have my celery. I'm cutting it up diagonally and it's all done beautifully now. I'm going ahead to cut my yellow bell pepper. We are now onto our green bell pepper and this is beautiful. It looks so juicy and fresh. I like this. And I also like the technique that I use to deseed it. It's beautiful, isn't it? So it's all done now. Let's go on ahead and cut the next vegetable, and that is our broccoli. Family, you can use any vegetable of your choice, okay? Our next vegetable is carrots. Wow, beautiful. Now we are on to our red onion and our white onion. Just like this, you separate them beautifully. So now let's transfer them onto a plate, set it aside, and continue with the cutting up of our vegetables. Now we are on to our ginger, garlic, and scotch bonnet pepper. Cut them into pieces and mince them if you want, just like so. Finally, our scotch bonnet pepper is also cut up beautifully. So now let's clear the working surface and continue with our cooking. Alright, these are all the amazing and healthy, nutritious vegetables we are using for our stir fry. I love this. They're beautiful and colorful. So now, family, let's set that aside and work on our chicken. Okay? Now, onto the chicken. First, I'm adding my honey. I'll go ahead and add my seasonings, chicken and all-purpose seasoning, and you can use any seasoning of your choice. Okay? I'm adding my oyster sauce, my dark soy sauce, and some of my olive oil. I'll leave the rest to fry the chicken later on. Just like this is enough. So family, I'm going to add my black peppercorn. Okay, I'm just drizzling some on it. Yeah, and then I'll mix it up like this to combine everything nicely and beautifully together. This smells so good. I'm still not done yet. I'm going ahead to add my ginger, garlic, and some of my tapioca flour, which you can use cornstarch, okay? Because they all play the same role as I said from the beginning. They all serve as thickening agents in our stews, our soups, and in our sauces. So family, as usual, you stir to combine everything beautifully and nicely. Ooh, this smells amazing, unbelievable. I'm impressed. I love this. So now family, let's set it aside for it to marinate for about 30 minutes. So now I'm adding some of the tapioca flour to my cooking wine, okay? You can as well use chicken stock or broth since we are making chicken stir fry, or just use normal water instead of the cooking wine, okay? So now let's set it aside and then fry our chicken. It's well marinated and I love the aroma it's giving me in the house. The whole house smells amazing. Beautiful. So now we're going to fry until we get a golden brown or brown color, okay? This smells so amazing, and yes, we've got the color we are looking for. I like this color. It's beautiful. So now let's take it out and continue from there. This is so amazing. I love the aroma it's giving me. Family, give this a try and you will never ever regret it. What an amazing aroma. Wow, this is indeed a must try. What a punch. Beautiful. Family, we are now at the final stage and I'm so happy to be here. Into the oil, I've added my ginger and garlic. As usual, you stir. I'm now adding my white and red onions. You stir again. And as always, make sure at this stage the heat is not too high. It should be on the low to medium level. I have just added my celery, yellow and green bell peppers, as well as my scotch bonnet pepper. I'm going to have to add the rest of the vegetables, and they are broccoli and carrots. This is beautiful. I'm so loving this. I'm going to have to add my seasonings, and they are chicken seasonings and all-purpose seasoning. Family, use any seasoning of your choice, okay? And keep stirring and let the heat be on the low to medium level. I'm going to have to add salt to taste at this stage and some of the black peppercorn because I like the aroma it brings and the flavor it adds to my stir fry. All right, so it's optional, but you will love it when you add it to it. Finally, let's add our well seasoned, well fried, and crispy chicken breast. I love this so much. And oh, I even changed my mind and didn't use the mushroom for this stir fry. All these amazing ingredients put together are doing their jobs. I can smell the ginger, the garlic. I've added the stirry, and this will help to thicken the sauce up. It will help thicken the whole thing up. It will bind them together like that. But it's optional. If you don't want it to be binded together, not add this because definitely if you add it to it, that's the results you will get. It will just bind them together, and it's amazing. It's just so beautiful. Look at that. I love the viscosity. Wow. However, you can still add a little bit of water to light it up. We are all done now and it's about to be served. And I love the aroma. Wow. Finally, we are all done. Family, this is how I make my simple vegetable and chicken stir fry. And it's a must try. Hope you just try this and bring me the feedback and I'll really appreciate it. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and recommend this channel to friends and families who may also like my recipes. And if you are new, hey, You are warmly welcome. Please subscribe to my channel and you will never ever regret it. Also, follow me on Instagram, follow me on Facebook, like my page as well, and above all, subscribe to my amazing YouTube channel and you will never ever regret it. Thank you all for watching. See you all again in my next video. Until then, stay blessed, stay safe, be good, enjoy, take care. Bye all. Mwah. Kiss.